Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check the MAC address on your MSI Stealth. To check the MAC address, go to the Windows, to the Start button, then type in CMD and click on Enter. Now type in ipconfig /all, and now you should see all of your data. So here it'll be for the Ethernet adapter, here's the physical address. For the wireless LAN local area connection 1, this is the one. For local area connection 2 is the one. For my Wi-Fi, this is the one. And for my Bluetooth network connection, so if I connect to internet over Bluetooth, then it'll be this one. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.